يا أيها الذين آمنوا توبوا إلى الله توبة نصوحا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here, your brother Qari Muhammad Zafar Usmani. I am servant of Holy Quran. Today I will tell you about difference between Azan and Hadar as well. If you don't know about Hadar and Azan, or if you don't know about this, if you don't know about this, you can check out my other videos which I uploaded. So these talk very necessary before starting going to maqamat. So these are maqamat, means that beautiful. So if you want to recite Holy Quran with the beautiful sound, if you want to know tricks, if you want to know main points, before going to that I uploaded video, so you have to watch and do not skip this video. If you new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel again and share this video with your friend and like and do comment in comment section. Don't forget this, that video will informative for you people when you I'm sorry, one more thing I forgot. So press bell icon when I upload new video, inshallah notification will come before will come to you. So let's come to the point. Today I will tell you about difference between azan and hadar. If you want to give azan, if you start azan in slow sound, during azan you can up your sound. You can do up your sound. For example, if I start azan, so first I have to start azan from low sound. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. And once again in slow sound. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. And then up sound. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. This is the sound level of azan. If you start hadar without prayer, inside in prayer, so you have to keep level in one sound from the start surah and the end of surah. For example, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم. Uh, this is the difference between azan and hadar sound level. And next video, inshallah, I will upload videos about other main points, and then inshallah I will start from maqamat as well. These are the recitation of Holy Quran, beautiful with the beautiful sound tracks. So if you don't know about this, you can check out my first videos which I have uploaded, and I written on my that video full name of these maqamat and definition as well. You can check. Allow me, inshallah, we will see you in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.